Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how Zeely may be used to prepare ad creatives and guide ad setup based on publicly available information. This is an explained tutorial, not a live walkthrough or hands-on demonstration. Before we begin, here's an important clarification. Zeely is primarily designed to assist with ad creative generation and guided setup, and some features may vary by plan or region. This video reflects general functionality that may be available, not guaranteed behavior. After logging into Zeely, users may start by creating a project or campaign workspace. This workspace is typically used to organize ad ideas, creatives, and related inputs. The exact layout or naming may change over time. Users may then be prompted to add product or service details. This can include manually entering information or providing a website or product link. Zeely may use this information to help generate relevant ad copy or visuals. Next, users may choose the type of ad content they want to prepare. Zeely may offer AI-assisted templates for social media ads and marketing creatives. The available formats and options can depend on the account setup. Based on the inputs provided, Zeely may generate suggested ad copy and creative variations. Users can review, edit, or regenerate content to better match their brand or message. All creative decisions remain manual and user-controlled. Some versions of Zeely may include guided steps related to campaign setup. These steps may help users think through goals, audiences, or structure before running ads elsewhere. Actual ad targeting, publishing, and spend control may still occur outside the app. If budget or scheduling options are shown, they are intended as guidance or preparation. Final budgets, placements, and launch actions typically depend on the connected ad platform. Results are not guaranteed and can vary widely. After preparing creatives, users may export or download the assets. Those assets can then be uploaded manually into advertising platforms such as Meta or others. Performance tracking and optimization may depend on external tools or integrations. Overall, Zeely may be useful for generating ad ideas, copy, and visuals more efficiently. It is designed to support the creative side of advertising, not replace ad platforms entirely. Effectiveness depends on how the content is later used. If you have questions or want clarification, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion. This is an informational explained tutorial.